cuddle you.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
He's cute though.
Is
He's
he?
cute.
He is cute. Do you love him?
Yeah.
How much do you love him? Let's listen to him purr. Let's listen to him purr. He's asleep.
So cute.
I'm surprised he's sleeping through you moving and talking like that.
Yeah. No, Mom, I don't have to shush and I can.
Just don't want him to wake up. He's literally sleeping on your face.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I have a mustache.
You do. You do have a moustache.
My footy.
No, thank you.
There's a toe. There's a toe.
It's a toe. I want to see the cats, not your foot. He's still purring so loud.
Wow. How's that true? I'm putting my finger in his mouth.
Please don't. He'll sleep on you. Let's be kind. He'll sleep on you more often if you just stay still. You know that. That's so damn cute. Aww.
Why did I agree to having a kitten?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so hard.
It's hard work, hey?
Dad, can I pick him up?
I don't want to wake him up, do you?